Where skills develop and grow is easier with Mathalo.
Good morning everyone, my name is Abdelfatah Ehab Abdelfatah. I'm studying in JTCC Fujairah. I'm in level 3 level. Now I can do 1 digit 30 rows, 2 digit 10 rows, 3 digit 5 rows.
Ready?
Yes.
8, 7, 5, 6, 3, 1, 2, 4, 9, 1, 7, 8, 9, 6, 3, 1, 2, 9, 4, 5, 4, 2, minus 1, 3, 5, 9, minus 8, 7, minus 6, 5.
Answer is 120.
Correct. Next. 45, 71, 86, 17, 50, 91, 49, 32, 20, 63.
Answer is 524.
Correct. Next. 163, 847, 209, 621, 593.
Answer is 2433.
Correct.
Thank you.